Wanna know how to work with strings in Java? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how you can easily work with strings. It's super simple and most used data type. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, simply open up any one of your compiler or your application that can run Java. Now, first up, we have created two strings right here, that is name and greeting. So in order to create a string, we start off with string, the name of the string that you want to keep, and then the string type that is writing in text. So this is how you can easily create string, just like this. Right here you can see greeting. So greeting means hello. So greeting plus means hello is being printed out, and this means white space. So when I have written two quotation marks, it basically means white space, and when I write plus name again, it prints out minus right here. So make sure before quotation marks though you add these plus signs right here. If you don't, it won't work out. So that's it. You can also use .length parenthesis for finding out length, and to uppercase to make our text or string go uppercase. So once you run it, as you can see right here, it should come up just like this. So user will welcome like this, greeting and name, and then your length, and showing it in uppercase. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.